let's first assume you've done a little warm up and we can take the bands then. So taking maybe first a lighter band, and we're going to find that rowing that we did in the seated or the floor-based practices. So wrapping the strap around the fronts of the knees, there's no pulling back in the body, there's no rounding, there's no arching. And you ask them, is that tiring? And if it's not tiring after maybe 5 or 6 or 7 pulsations, you might suggest they go to a slightly stronger band. And you're inhaling back and you're exhaling forward. And you want to see in your client, are they able to do it with, again, this core control so that nothing is moving except the arms. So we're rowing just the same as when we were in Dandasana, and we're thinking about the tone in the back of the body, maybe just under and between the shoulder blades, wherever you or your client feel it themselves. We can offer some of the arm movements that can also be done in some of the standing poses, like pull down, so just about. And we're going to pull down behind the head and back up with tone in the back. So we'll be really working on the muscles of posture. And don't forget to breathe, breathing in, down, exhaling up. You might find that this happens in the trunk, bit of overarching. Just think of those Pilates principles of letting the front ribs drop down towards the hips. Anything that we've done standing up in terms of arm movements, these can be done sitting on a chair, no problem at all.